Welcome to Lens Life. Today I'm going to show you 3 different cuts. The J cut, the hard cut and the L cut. Okay, welcome guys to the computer. I will show you guys what the hard cut is first because it's the easiest one to do. We drag this to where it splits right there. So now it splits footage, between the tree and the air, and we split this track here. We delete this one just like so, and that will be a hard cut. And then it's quiet again. Those are 2 hard cuts. They're very easy to do. They can be pretty impactful to some action scenes, and some scenes you kind of want to use a J cut. The J cut is very easy as well. It is just you drag this clip if I can. Okay, so now we're dragging it to about something like that, but it's fine. Oh, we keep the volume max. Sorry for the delay. Okay, there we go. And this is a J cut. You know why it's called a J cut? Because it looks like a J. So this is a J cut. So I drag this thing a little bit to here, so it sounds better and everything. You want to make sure that the line pops up. So this is Filmora. I don't know any other video editor that does that. Yours might do that as well, but I like to check if the line pops up, as you can see here. So okay, now let's listen to it from the beginning again. So this scene really helps, for example, when you kind of want to want to warn people what's going to happen next. So that's what this scene is pretty good for. I like this scene, this cut, that's where it's very simple, it's just a J cut. You drag the file a little bit further, and then you have your J cut. That is literally it. So now let's perform a L cut. You can guess why it's called an L cut, because it'll look like an L. Same difference again, I put this here again so it goes down, the sound goes down, because of course you don't want the sound to keep continuing when there is nothing, unless you go for the scene. Now of course this scene doesn't have that, so I don't want it. But if your scene has like a plane still flying past, you can keep this going. And there you have it, 3 different cuts. So let's hit the outro. Hopefully you learned something from that. If you did, leave a comment down below, and I would appreciate if you could like it and subscribe down below. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.